In today's video, I'll be showing you what to do to gain access to Revit tutorial masterclass or Lumion tutorial masterclass if anything happens to your phone, or perhaps something happens to your WhatsApp and the message I've sent to you, you can no longer see it on WhatsApp again. This is one of my students that sent a message to one of our support group, and he said, Mr. Timothy, my phone was stolen and I lose all my login on both Lumion and Revit tutorial masterclass, and I can't remember my password and username. If you can help, I will surely appreciate it. Okay, now if you buy my Revit tutorial masterclass or Lumion tutorial masterclass, most of the time I send message to you by mail. So as long as you have access to your email address, you can always recover that mail. So what you do is you are going to go to your inbox. This is my inbox now. Okay, go to inbox, and at the top here, preferably I want you to use system so that you can follow me. You can easily understand it because the interface of system is different from that of phone. Okay, so you go to inbox and you type here, maybe you can type Revit tutorial masterclass, and here you will now see the message that I sent to you when you process Revit tutorial masterclass. You can see access Revit tutorial masterclass here, gain access to Revit tutorial masterclass here. So when you type the keyword that are in that message here, the message will come up as long as you have not deleted it. Okay, you can even type your name. You can, maybe you remember one of the words that was in that particular message. It could be your password, your username, anything that was in that particular message. Type it here, it will pop up. Then once it pop up, you click on it and that message will show. So that is how you can have access to your login detail if peradventure you lost your phone, or it is stolen, or it is damaged. I hope you have learned something from this video today. See you in the next video. Bye.